In continuation to the last exercise, let me jump to sheet 3 to talk more about the formatting features of Excel. I'll be talking about autofill in this worksheet. Fill weekdays. I want Monday to Sunday. So if you have typed Monday, or for that matter any day of the week, you can simply drag it down. But what it gives is Monday to Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday as well. My original question was just the weekdays, Monday to Friday. So once you drag this data down, you'll get this nice button called autofill options at the bottom right of the entire selection. Once I click inside, I will get an option amongst many, one which says fill weekdays. Once I choose that fill weekdays, you'll notice automatically Saturday, Sunday has been taken off the list. So if you're working with such certain data, let's say markets, where equities may be traded on Monday to Friday basis, not Saturday, Sunday, you may want to use this particular aspect. Now, people in India follow sometimes Monday to Saturday. Some of the offices, they have the schedule of Monday to Saturday. So how do I prepare a list which should only show me Monday to Saturday? Not Monday to Friday, not Monday to Sunday, just Monday to Saturday. Now what happens is, there is no option which mentions Monday to Saturday. You'll need to use a trick to bring a list of Monday to Saturday. Let's see what that trick is. Let's say I type in Monday and clearly let me drag it till Saturday once. Now copy the entire block and paste it once just beneath. So you have 2 times Monday to Saturday, Monday to Saturday. Now the trick is, choose both the blocks of the data and then pull it down together. What you will have as a result is the series of Monday to Saturday, no Sunday, Monday to Saturday, no Sunday. Let me repeat this quick trick once again. Prepare your desired list once, Monday to Saturday, copy that, paste it just beneath, and now choose the entire block before dragging this down. Now this is very useful. Let's say in a case where you would want Saturday to Thursday series, no Fridays. In some of the Gulf countries, Friday is a holiday. So I would want Saturday, that's the beginning. Let me drag this data till Thursday, not Friday, as you can see from the key tips, till Thursday. Let me copy and paste beneath the data, choose the entire block and then pull them down together. You will find no Fridays. So again, depending on the reporting requirement, you can use this technique, autofill option. Now, some of you may be wondering that in your PCs, this drag down option is not coming up. I would ask you to change one setting, activate one setting. That setting lies under Office button. The circle button that you notice at the top left of the screen, that's called Office button. Let me go inside Office button. Let me access Excel options. Within Excel options, let me go to advanced options. Now within advanced, there lies one option called enable fill handle and cell drag and drop. If by any chance that is deactivated, you will not be able to use the drag down feature or autofill feature. So let me go back and reactivate that. Office button, Excel options, within which advanced option, and make sure this is activated, enable fill handle. Okay. Alright. Now slightly easier subtopic under autofill is in respect of months. So January, anything that you have, pull this down and you get the month sequence. Similarly, if you have certain thing about dates, pull that down, you get sequential dates. But some cases, I would want that starting with this date, 31st March 2010, when I pull this data down, I should get 31st March of 2011, 2012, 13, 14 and so on. So I want year end dates for every year 31st March ending. How do I do that? Let's see. If I pull this data down, from the autofill options, if I choose fill years, automatically generates that year end list. Now this can also be used in case the accounting year ending is 31st December 2010 in certain countries. So if I have, let's say, 31st December 2010, I can pull this data down, fill years. You may have 30th September as a reporting period. So pull this data down and choose the same option, fill years. Another interesting aspect of autofill option is fill months. A lot of us would have a tracker which gives us an idea that when the report is to be finalized. Let's say every month end, 31st Jan, 28th Feb, 31st March, and so on. I want to generate that list without me having to remember how many days in a month and then adding that number of days. Let's say in this case maybe 31st or 28th. I don't want to do that because of course that will be differing for every month. So let me pull this date down and choose fill months. Automatically it picks up the month end dates. And you may have a query that what happens if it is a leap year. Let's see, 31st Jan 2012. Let me pull this down and fill months. You'll notice 29th Feb is the one that is coming up for February month. So very useful, fill years, fill month. In fact, whatever data you drag and pull them down, you may choose from the given options. Some of them are relating to formatting, but most of these are lying here, the ones that we'll be using. In case you would want to have a numeric series, let's say serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some of you may have noticed that if you drag a particular number, it shows you the same number. So trick to have those serial numbers are 1. You may select both the 1 and 2. Both are hard coded. Choose both, pull them down. Alternatively, you can do one more thing, that is before you pull this digit 1 down, press Ctrl, keep it pressed. You'll notice a double plus sign. Now pull this data down. So two options, either you use double plus sign, that's the autofill by keeping Ctrl pressed. Keeping Ctrl pressed, you notice the double plus. Now drag this down. Alternatively, you can show Excel the series you want, 1 and 2, then pull them down together. Next, alphanumeric series, MBA class 2010. If you pull this down, let's see what happens. So automatically in a serial manner. In case you are preparing batch numbers, especially in pharma industry where the product lines follow certain batch numbers, every production item. So ZX10100, ZX10200 series, and I would want the series to be in 100 increment. So once you have defined the series, pull them down, 300, 400, 500, 600, and so on. So these are the several combinations of autofill. Do give them a try. At times they are very, very handy. See you in the next session. More tips and tricks coming up.